In the jungle, monkeys use money to buy things. This money is called leaves. Most monkeys have always trusted leaves. But there are problems. Monkey banks control all the leaves. They charge small fees every time a monkey buys something. And if monkeys send leaves to other jungles, that can take a long time. Monkey banks can also make more leaves, causing inflation. Some monkeys don't even have access to banks. Fake leaves exist, and monkey banks not open 24/7. So the clever monkeys came up with something new: bananas. Bananas are a new kind of money, but digital. No one monkey controls bananas. Instead, the whole troop does. When monkeys trade bananas, there are usually no fees. And it's fast, even across jungles. Bananas can't be faked. And best of all, they're always available, day or night. Instead of a bank, monkeys write trades into a giant public rock, called a block. All trades go there, and everyone can see them. Once the block is full, it's added to a chain of blocks, the blockchain. Each block links to the one before it, making it super hard to change anything. Monkeys called banana miners do the hard work. They check all banana trades, remove fakes, then add them to the block. They also race to solve a tricky puzzle. The first to solve it gets a reward: more bananas. That's called proof of work, and it keeps the whole banana system safe and fair. Some monkeys buy bananas hoping the value goes up. Others hold bananas for years. This is called hodling. Mining bananas takes a lot of energy. Some monkeys use bananas for shady stuff. And scams. Oh yes. Some monkeys hype a new banana, sell it at the top, and leave others with worthless peels. Still, many monkeys believe bananas, and the blockchain, are the future. Others still prefer leaves. Whatever happens, one thing is clear: bananas have changed the jungle forever.